In this video, you'll learn how to join a Slack workspace. By following these steps, you will be able to connect with your team and start collaborating. Begin by navigating to the Slack application on your browser. You can do this by entering the Slack URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Slack login screen, which is the first indication that you are in the right place. If prompted, sign in using your credentials. If you do not have an account, look for an option that allows you to join a workspace. This screen typically features a button labeled Join a Workspace or something similar. Once you click this, you may need to enter an email address associated with the workspace you wish to join. After entering your email address, check your inbox for an invitation email from Slack. This email will contain a link to join the workspace. Click on the link provided in the email and it will redirect you back to the Slack interface, confirming your intent to join. Next, you may be asked to create a password. If this is your first time joining, enter a secure password and follow any additional prompts to complete your profile setup. This step is crucial as it will help secure your account and allow you to access workspace features. Once your profile is set up, you will be taken to the main Slack interface. Here you can see channels, direct messages, and other collaboration tools. Familiarize yourself with the layout as it will be essential for effective communication within your workspace. If you need to invite others to the workspace, click on the workspace name at the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Invite People. Enter the email addresses of those you want to invite and click Send Invites. Keep in mind that each invitation will also require the recipient to accept the invite to join, and that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.